Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my beloved brothers and sisters of Amazonia. You're hearing from Honorable Colonel Arthur John, the spokesman of the Amazonia Police. While listening, please click the share button and you share. Story today now about bush fallers them. Story today now about bush fallers them. And some people name and some bad them where they try to delay our revolution. Just click the share button, you share and meet other people then they join me. Click the share button, invite others, then they listen now. They know it in the past cause on these bush followers then they so we need to use the hard way, the only way for educate them. We must educate them. So now they matter that. So click the share button, you share, let other people join us. So, to read today, the main topic today now about bush fallers them. We need to talk about bush fallers them. Bush fallers, those of us see, even blacklegs them for ground zero. People the way they try to damage revolution, we need to talk about. We remember, before we start, we remember our President Ayuk Sisiko. He be talk for his speech, say for his first day speech where he be President Beskakuf. Say, he did so, nobody is bigger than this revolution. Say, the revolution is for Amazonians, not for him, not for any person. Nobody is bigger than the revolution. Secondly, when I remember, in times of leadership of Patterson Wilfred, he announcing nobody is bigger than this revolution. Say after God for this revolution, the next people have all Amazonians name. So today we now file number 842. We are not establish them today. We talk about this file number 842. We will give the talk about today concerning some blackleg people them and bad elements them where they want damage the revolution, they want kill who force them for ground zero. So I will start today with one by one. I will start with Akere Muna. Akere Muna way belly big, like say drink sha. Like say don't drink sha. The worker, he come for the revolution. He want try with damage the revolution because he want go collect money the presidential candidate. So now he made hidden agenda that way where he plan him, where he try him for cause problem with the revolution. He wake up, Akere Muna, he threatened the Secretary of Communication. Akere Muna. He threatened the Secretary of Communication who give Akere Muna the right and authority for threatening who Secretary of Communication, Chris Anus, who give Akere Muna the right, Akere Muna, based on the fact that Akere Muna threatened the Secretary of Communication, we never establish IFI. And when we establish Akere Muna IFI, we never outline everything about him. Akere Muna, you go for the election where the worker preach about election, so you are 100 away, say you can never win the election, Akere Muna. We don't like him, you wake up, give the pretense, say you go for election, say you go win the election, where you don't go do anything. You know if you win anything, Akere Muna, you can never win any election. Akere Muna no fi win election, but if you go for election for actually do it be the reason where Akere Muna say if you go for election for do. Where Pobia don't really win election. We don't be getting interest in election. Akere Muna we could work at straight to secretary. This thing should not happen. My brother, my sisters, them we never activate 6 feet. 6 feet for Akere Muna. All the Munas that were enemy. All the Munas now enemy. We need to bury Akere Muna. We must bury. We get to burn their house for mono. We get to burn them. We get to burn their house for day. We get to send secret agents them inside the Republic Me the damage I carry Muna their law firm. Keep scatter them. Anything linked to Muna is evil in this revolution. Akere Muna is very, very evil and demonic. Akere Muna, you try to do secretary, say me the cash in lock up. Based on that fact, we give a cash up to 6 feet. Now wait till I give a do one. Where your belly big so Akere Muna. Just while listening, just click the share button, you share them. Oh, that's how Akere Muna. What type of person can be Akere Muna? When you say you want to be president, you want to be president for who then? Maybe president of the Republic. Amazonians are not interested in Akere Muna. Akere Muna is evil and demonic. We don't need Akere Muna. My way to go nightclub, go to find a shower every day. Akere Muna. Oh, papi, like that man, so he go for bar. Go to find a shower every day. Now Akere Muna that for discuter for his snack. The toast baby every day. The toast baby every day. Oh man, what movie are doing sugar daddy matter? Akere Muna, you the crazy your head, say you want to Secretary of Communication, you swung that pepe. Akere Muna the craze. In the craze, we never activate 6 feet for Akere Muna. We never put this Akere Muna and all the Muna's family because we did suffer so for the revolution because of Muna's family. So we never put all the 6 feet. Akere Muna is not an Amazonian. He will be exiled. Akere Muna must be exiled from Amazonia. Click the share button, the share them. Just click and share them. Oh, that's see that old papi, this very old papi, old party man, old man, so very, very old man. He go nightclub for the waiting for day. Go to toast young girl every day. I showered him. He toast I showered him. This one I waited this. So Akere Muna, you are warned. Do not threaten any of our leaders. Akere Muna, do not threaten any Amazonia. Akere Muna, you are warned. Next time you threaten any Amazonia, you know say you go face some hurt. But fellow Amazonians, we never put Akere Muna for 6 feet. We are not giving up about Akere Muna. We must put Akere Muna for 6 feet. We must put this old papi for 6 feet. Click the share button, the share. We must put this old papi Akere Muna for 6 feet. If he say be lawyer, he time no pass. He time no pass. Me no come do that shit for Amazonians. Time one federation, he don't pass. The time now we wanna Amazonia. The time no pass, time we want federation, the cash will go lock up. Now we decide we change stand. We want Amazonia. The time is now. No turning back. So Akere Muna, back fine. You like how you follow me, John Fruity. Una go stay with them. Una be na papa, my papa them, but una I don't feel respect my papa them. Where they wake up, they want a generation upon generation will live to be suffering. We will live for the suffer. So all this shit, you will not need for respect, shackle people them. Any man with my papa or grandpapa, when he mess up for the revolution, no respect them. No respect them. I could take this opportunity. I sound this message to beloved Amazonians them. If you see my papa or my mommy, those of you that know Colonel Atta John in fiscal life, if you see my papa or my mommy, they go for march for 20th May. For 20th May, write paper, give them the reader. When they read on the paper, you write and say, Colonel Atta John, an Amazonian citizen, don't declare them dead. You kill my parents them. If you see any person where he go 20th May, where he say he be Colonel Atta John, the parents them, kill them. Tell them, say that me, I don't order their death. I don't order their death. Because there shall be no 20th May in Amazonia. So if any man, the old papi Muna have need John Fruity them, or the way they work preach about 20th May, so we never kill them. No spare them. I don't declare my own parents them. You dead. If they go 20th May, we kill them. No kill any person first, kill my parents them first. That is it. Because there shall be no 20th May in Amazonia. The revolution is at the highest speed. Do not believe anything coming out from Muna. No belief of any election. And there shall be no election in Amazonia. There shall be no election in Amazonia. There shall be no election, I repeat, no election in Amazonia. What you go do, we say, we could use the hard way, the only way on defaulters. We could do them, and we could do them, we could put them for 6 feet. Any man way the default done the dream of 20 May, the make campaign for 20 May, we could put the also for 6 feet. Because you are part of the planning to derail Amazonia's revolution. So, officially, Akere Muna is one. Padi Asanga, Ayaba, Milan Atem, Una work for Federation, you are Republic them, Una carry this special message to Akere Muna. Say, he is one. He should not threaten our Secretary of Communication again. He is officially one. You don't officially one Akere Muna. I drink water before I change now to the next person. I drink water. Me people really think say the joke now water I want drink. Me no think say me I don't want drink. Some people come start talk say I the drink na alcohol come the talk. No, it's water. Those in Germany they know the water. They know the type of water. So that's click the share button, you share. Let other people listen. If you not notice the topic for this video today now about bush fallers them. Bush fallers them trying to derail our revolutions. And these bush fallers, the way they try to derail our revolution, I'll be outlining the reasons why they are La Republic agents, why they are working for La Republic. So, una don't see Mami Jera in name. Yeah. Anybody listening, invite Mami Jera, invite Gillian Eshu, them too. Invite them too, me they listen. If they don't listen, una save the video, send them their inbox. Invite Mami Jera, me in listen. Invite Gillian Eshu, aka Gilly, me they listen. Because this official warning going to bush fallers, mainly reflecting to them. My brother, my sisters, them, una look, una eye them, we know they say, we the talk, they say, we the just talk because for talking sake, like say, we lack thing for do am. We just fear us to be talking. Now who that? If you know his name, you just write the name for comment. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Just write the name for comment. Just write the name for comment. Una, wait, I'll change the pictures. Una see more. Now who that no? Now who that? Una just write the name for comment. Write the person name for comment. Who is that? Who is that? If you know the person what he talk about, just write the name. So, when I don't see the person, no, I see Gilly. Next person. Now who that? Now who that? Mami Gerano. Now Mami Gerardano. Now Mami Gerardano. Okay, we'll start talk now. See, before I start talk, me no man notice how they look on person face. If you hear wait how they talk and you know be okay with them, block Colonel Atajon. And then they beg you follow Colonel Atajon. Now you come for my page. You never ever see me Sunday for your page. Why come for they come comment say all these people they insult Colonel Atajon for comment. And then they ever go for our page. I'm too big for that. And then they go for there. I know you the moment for they go for your page. And they talk with say they help the revolution. And then they care anything and then they look in my face. Una see the prostitute, Mami Jera. Una see the prostitute. Gillian. Gillian Eshu, Aka Gilly Gilly. No argue me, say no prostitute them. Any person where you don't try to damage the revolution is an enemy. Is an enemy. Mami Jera, and Gilly Gilly. We announce there shall be no school in Amazonia. As we announce there shall be no school in Amazonia. Mami Jera and Gilly Gilly, they go to school. They go to school abroad because they never bush. After they go to school abroad, they don't even, their conscience, they don't even judge them. They graduate, carry the pictures, post them online to damage a revolution on ground zero. Our brothers back on ground zero, they are asking questions. They ask Colonel Atajon, ask majority of Amazonians. They say, we announce that there shall be no school in Amazonia. But bushfallers, then the day abroad, they go school, even at old age. Wait. Subsection 1. Click the share button and you share. Let other people join. Una click and invite Gilly Gilly and Mami Jeremy. They take their way to a Colonel Atajon, the talk and direct for them. I don't care where to what they talk about. These two bad belly people, them, some others, then they also be bad where they commit same crime. Where they commit the same crime, as they commit the same crime, this prostitute, Mami Jera and Gillian Eshu, they wake up, they go graduate, get their hearts for post the pictures of their graduation online to make our force on ground zero get discouraged. Say, bushfallers are failing our revolution. This is very, very bad. Very, very bad for prostitute Gillian Eshu and prostitute Mami Jera. I don't care when I call them prostitute. I know their life history better than you people. I know Gillian Eshu in life history back in Tole. I know Mami Jera in life history back when she come up barefoot, go for Denver snack. Corner old Melano, go to half a day. I know all them too. Before I want to call person prostitute, I get my evidence. So, any person where they try way for post-graduation pictures them online, the person be out now for damage the revolution, for discourage ground zero troopers them, for make ground zero troopers them. So now the thing that way every day. So wait till they talk and say, these two get them, Gillian Eshu, Mami Jera, they post-graduation pictures. This is unaccepted because it make ground zero to think. Those that are in jail, they don't have right to go to school. Is Mancho BBC not having the right to go to school? Is Senator Penteres not having the right to further his study? Those that are in bushes, they are in bushes. Are they not having right to go to school? Are they not having La Republic, the worker born schools them? Then now Gillian Eshu, they go post pictures for abuse Amazonians them, for make ground troopers them, is discouraged not to fight Pobia. These are evidence. Mami Jera and Gillian Eshu, this prostitute, they are working for La Republic. They are not working for our revolution. This is the truth and the truth. This is the truth Colonel Atajon will be telling you people today and today. Invite the Gillian Eshu, the prostitute, and Mami Jera, the prostitutes. Let them listen. They are working for La Republic. If they were not working for La Republic, they will never post graduation pictures online. Why we call for no school resumption? Why we putting all effort when La Republic pack their weapons they inside school, we vagash the weapons them. Mami Jera and Gillian Eshu, prostitutes, they wake up, go post pictures of graduation online. They decrease their head. They decrease that case. They just a man of BBC not go school too. They just say not further his studies. They think so. Say Senator Penteres not further his studies. They think say Pantas and Refrain not get intention for further his studies. They think say our kids, our brothers, our mother, our grandparents inside the bushes, sleeping in bushes with bomas, snake, lions, them, tigers, them, wild animals inside the bushes. They don't get right for go to school. They don't get right. They get right. All of us, we have the right to act for education. We have the right, but when they say no school resumption, let this be respected worldwide. So now the thing they want to talk so me they don't when I don't become begin the thing say Colonel Atajo just be there they talk now stupidness or wait they talk wait they talk they even proud of our wait Gillian H1 Mami Gerard proud about what do they have apart from walking and opening their legs in Europe and in US. Apart from moving and doing that, what more can they offer? Sometimes they don't go open their food, they now open their lecturers, they sleep them, make them graduate. When they make them graduate, they come now live, come try to talk ransacky things, posting graduation pictures online. This is unaccepted. It is unaccepted by Amazonians. It is unaccepted. And the talker and the nay, they not, and then they look no my face. I know they look any person face. Gillian Eshu and Mami Gerard, those two prostitutes should rethink about our brothers in bushes. They should rethink about our brothers in bushes. They should never post any graduation pictures online again. That should end with immediate effect. Amazonia police is calling on the two prostitutes, Gillian Eshu and Mami Gerard, to come out clean and clearly and apologize to Amazonians for what they have done. If Gillian Eshu no come announce them, then Colonel Atajon and Amazonia police will launch war for their family, for Ground Zero. We go put their family into Archie's fire for Ground Zero. Colonel Atajon, I could claim responsibility for this move. If Mami Gerard and Gillian Eshu no come apologize to Amazonia's name. Me, Colonel Atajon, I could burn Gillian Eshu their house for Tole. I could burn Mami Gerard their family in town for Bafut region. I could burn them all into Archie's fire. I no could look their face. When I talk, I could do them. If Gillian Eshu and Mami Gerard, they no apologize to Amazonians for posting graduation pictures and making our troops on Ground Zero refusing to fight land public, thinking that Mami Gerard and Gillian Eshu, they promote education, say me they go back to school. This is unaccepted. Why they do so? Mami Gerard and Gillian Eshu, they don't ever do any ground operation for stop any school resumption on Ground Zero. No. Colonel Atajon the talk because I don't stop at least 21 schools from functioning. Me, I don't stop 21 schools. Me and Amazonia police, we don't stop 21 schools from functioning in Amazonia. And we are determined to vagash UB. We are determined to vagash UBA. That is University of Boya and University of Bamenda. We have to stop them down. We have to use our strategies to put them down. We cannot leave them to continue delaying our revolution. You go for school for common work waiting. You go for school for common work waiting. You go for school for common work waiting. All my way get master's degree for inside La Republic. You get which kind of education, which kind of profession. Wait till you work up. Me, Colonel Atajon, I finished from UB. I did banking and finance in UB. I finished and no get work. And then the shame for tell una Amazonia's name. And then the shame for tell una. Because when they say saying a testimony, it educates others. That is what our pastors, they always preach to us in church. Ma share una this testimony. Una get them. I finished on UB with banking and finance. Very good grades. I go find work. I go apply work for Union Bank of Africa. As well go apply work for Union Bank of Africa. We do interview. They put we two together for same position. They interview we. They pass my way come in a freshman. They just give you the job. They don't even interview up to 4 or 5 questions. They give you the job. Me where I be Amazonia. They tell me say, go and think. We will think and call you back later. Since won't graduate, come reach today, I don't wait their call. Come finish, they never ever give me that job. They never ever call me back. We go again for another bank. We go for Eco Bank. We go for Eco Bank. We go apply work for Eco Bank for you for Boya. We apply work for also apply work for who apply work for together. Now the English zone that one a English zone. They did not even give me that job. They say go give person where come up from Douala. If they be drive they come Douala. From Douala they come today. Come, they did that job. Imagine this. What would you go for school for inside Amazonia? What would you do? When they tell give me that job, wait till the end result. You go for school, get bachelor degree, come on go be Uganda rider. That is what I did. I be bike rider. I become a bike rider. I became a bike rider. Now the truth that what they tell una Amazonians. I became a bike rider. I know the shame una the insult bike riding. You ride bike with having a bachelor degree in your hands. What is the meaning of that? After I ride bike, I turned be taxi man. Look at jobs. Doing all this type of look at jobs like this. So all this in them, all the education inside being managed by land public is useless. Because all the education is to help French people. It's not to help lovely Amazonians. So now the thing that we every day, well, we suffer to go to school, finish, we be jobless, no get anything to do. We said no school. We decided, we stood up and we want change. We want Amazonia to be like the Western world. We want Amazonia to be a country like the Western world. Look how Ghana is developed now. Ghana looks like the Western world. Look how Europe is. Western world. North America, South America, Western world. All these places then. Now wait that we want Amazonia to be like. So the promotion of school resumption by Gillian Eshu and Mami Jera is unaccepted. If they don't apologize, I swear to God, say, if the people don't apologize, the Bible says, thou shalt not swear, I go swear before Amazonia. If they don't apologize, I go burn Gillian Eshu their house. I go vagash Mami Jera them to Achis fire. No, she say you get American citizenship, get British citizenship, you know, get family for ground zero. We go vagash them. We go make wait where you go cry. You go cry. We go do what? You going to cry if they don't apologize to Amazonians. Why they post graduation pictures online? If they too prostitute, they do not do this. If they don't do it, they will face the serious consequences. So that is what I have to say to you people today about those two people. Because the no school resumption, you stop it. Put more effort. You burn down all the schools that are functioning. Put all effort. Primary school, you burn them. Teachers them all, you catch them, you give them periodic warning. If they don't listen, you catch any teacher, you throw away acid face with them. Put bunny grass in buttocks. When you start crashing buttocks, you use bottle, broke your head with them. Kill them, no problem, no day. Anyway, when you try to push school for inside Amazonia, now an enemy. Or they are enemy. Now enemy. If you want to go for school, you go for the Republic. Go for there. No, go start try way. You go for the Republic, you remain there forever and ever. Never you come back in Amazonia. Never you return in Amazonia. Because Amazonia, if come rain, come sun, we must be free. Amazonians have reason and we are going to fall no more. That is it. So when I get on my nerves because of Gilead issue, Mami Jera, this prostitute where they left Africans to go and sell their body abroad, why should they be doing all these things to discourage our troops on ground zero? You know the type of message when my troops left at ground zero, they don't write me this morning. Why? You know the type of message my troops left at ground zero don't text me this morning, say, hello, good morning, Colonel Atajon. I say, good morning, Chopper. I will not call their name because if I call, I will now go give the bad belly public agents. Then they listen. They will carry the information, go give them their information, give them land public. They text me, ask me, say, why? Be say, they the worker, vaga school, they miss school, then they the function. They worker put schools then down, try all way, they cash teachers them, cash principals them, cash some of them put up 6 feet. Vagash all them where they work at do so why be say Gilead issue and Mami Jera they work at post pictures there online. So are they committing a crime on ground zero? I tell my troops they say, Chopper, these people woman they not allow the public agents them. They allow the public agents they are na see so they so na so way they did, that's way they did, that's way they did. Where you see they so then they so their own intention only for waka delay the revolution because they are power mongers. That with I tell them when I call Mami Jera power moga when I go drag. Some people they go confused, they go think say Colonel Atajon been a fool. Hey, been a fool, but I no be fool. When I call Mami Jera power moga, when I remember the formation of the Saudi Cameroon women's in North America. No be na Colonel Atajon. No be na Colonel Atajon. No, me na Colonel Atajon and Amazonia police then they scatter that Saudi Cameroon women's things them because Mami Jera be don't use her now like for power mongering. This guy where the right say I no get troops there for ground zero. I beg you, direct me play with una house they show picture for una house. Ma investigate at issues I get troops there for ground zero. Just write the information, show picture for una house. At issues say troops then they for ground zero. You no more see the troops them. You no more see them in order to be making bap. You no more see them. You no more see them the full way the right come and say we no get troops them for ground zero. So my brother, my sisters, do not believe them. If you want no say troops them for ground zero, you will never see them. Just calculate wait where we be here about December where you happen for GHS at Sierra and Queen. Wait to be happen for the wait to happen for GHS Kumba. Wait to happen for the you just say you just stay so born overnight. It is because La Republic military is stationed their weapons them inside these schools them. When La Republic military stationed their weapons them inside these schools them, with the be forced for go burn them. So that is the thing. So now the thing what they talk am. Or if you think say Colonel Atajon the lie, blocky, or you stay off his page and you go listen to Chiroma Bagari because wait how they talk at the name and the truth. You want to see evidence, but I no show you evidence. Those that are supposed to see evidence, they have seen and they can believe me. So that is the truth and the truth and the truth. So my brother and my sisters them, wait till I want to talk, make it officially clearly, Gilead issue and Mami Jera, they must apologize to Amazonians. If they don't apologize to Amazonians, then we teach them lesson where they will Bible John chapter 3 verse 9 and 16. We go deal with them about that way. Spare no evil person in this revolution. Mami Jera and Gilead issue, they are one. Welcome, Captain James Harrison. Welcome. So now wait that way official warning there the sound up for them. Mami Jera and Gilead issue they shut off for the revolution. The next thing I want to talk about. I drink again small water again. The next thing I want to talk about. The next thing I want to talk about, I want just insist on my brothers and sisters of Amazonia. Moi wanna take note say Ayaba and Milan Atem na combi them. Na La Republic agents. And I want to take this opportunity again at distance Dr. Ebenezer away from Ayaba. Dr. Ebenezer is not working with Ayaba and RCC, Dr. Ebenezer is not part of it. Ayaba is the one jotting down the name of Dr. Ebenezer there also. So now the truth that what they tell you Muna listener. Ayaba, Ian Milan Atem, na scammers them. They beat for the revolution, now for make money. Why they tell you the thing so? I don't explain for you since the start of this revolution. I ever talk people they need to understand. Some of you they come talk say Saudi Cameroon police hate Ayaba, so we get personal problem with Ayaba. No. Some of una wake up. They talk say Colonel Atta John just hate people. They hate people. No. Some of una confused talk say Ayaba don't take Ayaba and Milan don't take Colonel Atta John human. No. Ayaba and Milan Atem, they cannot near my baby. They cannot near her. If they go in front, she go. They don't even qualify for wash her issue. They don't qualify. They don't qualify because she need to deal with all papi them like that for that their category. They don't qualify for wash my woman issue. So me Milan Atem and Ayaba. Me they stop for do the affecting them for the revolution. Me they concentrate. We know say Ayaba the work for federation. We no get interest in federation. We no get any small interest. That is why Ayaba the tribe will sleep all girls them for the revolution. Ayaba and Milan Atem, they do always for sleep girls them for the revolution in order to promise in exchange for posts. How Ayaba don't sleep Cecilia B. Amabo in Ireland. Give her post so that she get the opportunity for go seek asylum. So now the thing that they talk Ayaba and Milan Atem na La Republic agent. Ayaba and Milan Atem na La Republic agents. Na La Republic agents them. And they talk the thing they die for they una need to believe them. Ayaba the work here and Padi Asanga. Through Jiken. Nkeng Jiken. For where they even know where they stay for Ayaba house. So if Ayaba the work here Padi Asanga, where Padi Asanga don't make clearly for Amazonians, they say he be a federalist. So wait if they reason for picking the doubt say Ayaba. Now he come for the revolution now for thief and destroy. Wait if they reason. My brother and my sisters them. No give any money for Ayaba. No give any money for Milan. Ayaba the use that strategies. For make immediately arrest who troops them for ground zero in the sense say Ayaba did promise people them for ground zero say they can wire the money for Western Union. So that mean they will troops them for ground zero, they send their names them, their information for Ayaba. When they send their names them for Ayaba, say me Ayaba, he wire money for the names. Ayaba, he say hand over the name them for La Republic. Direct collect the payment, the commission. What they talk so that the things are the jungle track. Una take note, Ayaba, Padi Asanga, Jiken, and some other few people them. They go for La Republic embassy for Benny. Give you information them for the. They go over there, go give you information them for the. They go give you information them for the. Padi Asanga use technology for make a go for Israel Republic embassy. For make a go for they tell me say we go collect bribe for La Republic embassy for promote election for inside Amazonia. We go collect €3,000 each at night. Some of them, they come for Colonel Atajon inbox. Text Colonel Atajon, talk say, me, we, and them, we team up together. We team up together. We fight for ground zero. I bring my troops them closer to them. When I understand that strategy, I have one time they arrest my guys them on ground zero. I have be very, very interested to get the contact number of Captain Randy Fu. Captain Randy Fu, the one who is going to put down Gilly Gilly and Mami Jera, their house. Randy Fu, my captain, in a year they will put down Mami Jera and Gilly Gilly, their house. So I have to collect the information them, give them now for them. So now it's another way it happen. I have to collect the information, give them the public. My brother, my sisters, them, no give any your information. They say, me they send you West Union or anything. Or any phone number for ground troops, say me they send you mobile money from Ayaba. Ayaba came to steal and destroy in our revolution. Same as Milan Atem came in our revolution to steal and destroy. So now the thing how they talk am. Ayaba came in the revolution to steal and destroy. Ayaba is a devil. Ayaba is Lucifer. Ayaba, Satan's brother. Ayaba, demonic. Just same as Milan Atem, devil, satanic, demonic, Lucifer, the godfather of Satan, Milan Atem. Those two people, they don't want Amazonians to be free. That is why they are using all strategies to damage this revolution. Anything about IG, Ayaba don't try to go against. In times of leadership of Patas and Wilfred, AGC go against. In times of leadership of President Ayusisko under Skakuf, AGC go against it. In times of leadership of President Ayusisko under IG, AGC go against it. Anything where IG want to do, Ayaba always go against it. Anything where want to do, they always go against it. Anything we want to do, they always go against it. Wait till the worry. Wait till be their problem. Wait till be their problem. Wait till be the problem for AGC. Wait till be the problem for AGC. Anything we want to do, they try to cause destruction for the. You go fight the fight for ground zero. AGC go take credit for the. Ayaba, if you are a true warrior as you claim, Mezam is sleeping. Mezam is sleeping. Ayaba, be a true warrior like our people. Be like Secretary of Communication. Look how his own village they happen. Check that one. When you check that one, you can understand. Say who Secretary of Communication, Libialem, the few the Dakoko, the hot pepper today. Ayaba. Mezam is busy drinking Guinness, drinking 33 S4, drinking, doing bed by bed, sleeping women, moving and stealing people's wives and sleeping with them. Ayaba, you are sleeping. Mezam is sleeping. Mezam, there is no oppression in Mezam yet. Only the one with the Vagashabu Bafu, but Ayaba no even get hand for it. Ayaba no get any hand for it. Ayaba, you do not go to fight an enemy in his or her camp without starting fighting in your camp. Ayaba, charity begins at home. Charity begins at home. Ayaba, you first of all fight inside Mezam. When you fight inside Mezam, we can understand. Mezam not do anything. If you not like him now, so I will call Captain Randy through when he arrived from his trip. Coming back from the South zone. But I no go tell una the roadway pass am because I know so una go plan me the catch. Because if they so they define it all corner. I will tell me film wait they happen for inside Ayaba his own. Mu post pictures online. Mu na see am. Ayaba his own the sleep. Why should Ayaba allow Mezam and go and be fighting but inside Libya. Why? Why all this? Why all this? Why all this? My brother, my sisters, them. Nobody listen all these things, the bad belly people, them. Ayaba and Milan at them. Now Lucifers. They are very devilish. Now wait till I give you talk. Before I go back, do general touches on all. My brother, my sisters, them. My brother, my sisters, them. I did you want to tell you now. All I can say, me all will put effort. We are respect with the Secretary of Communication. It announced lately. Let us do this when we respect them. When we respect them, it is going to be a very professional standard. It will be in a good mood. Let us do the right thing. Let us keep all French tongue out of our land. Let us remove them. Official extra tradition is being launched. Let us remove all the French out of our land. Let us remove them. They don't love us. The French don't love us. They are only interested in our resources. Some people will say, Bamenda don't have resources. Do you forget to know that highest food being eaten all over La Republic comes from Amazonia? Do you forget this? Comes from the northern zone, especially. Calculate how many back jama in English huckleberry it come up from the northern zone, go down for the southern zone. Tell me, una calculator, una tell me. When you reason it, you understand this. When you understand them, una blockhead the una door, una no get sense. Those that are coming from whom testify this. La Republic has discovered that there is gold in womb. And La Republic is doing serious check-up. Any car, any individual coming in and out of womb, they check you. If you get gold for your skin, they pick up. So, when you come there, they make all these things, you know, make sense. Go inside the French zone. You ask yourself all these things, and when you ask her, you can understand, say, both the northern and southern zone, we have what is feeding La Republic. And we need to keep away, to keep these guys out of our land. We very soon go organize international community we could come by editing them. We could kill the palava where bushrollers then they chop spinach for bush in the name of Jama. We could kill and we could export Jama directly abroad. That way tell we give it one. So my brother, my sisters, them, I call on you all Amazonians. Let us reactivate the removal of all French tongues. All French tongues, without exceptions. Well, now why say some of the French tongues then don't already start go? Lelele Afrique. Lelele Afrique. And they contact inside Lelele Afrique in office where they ever blow me Lelele Afrique information. Lelele Afrique. It already extradite his family. His family they Bafoussam now. His family they Bafoussam right now. You want Lelele Afrique, you want them inside Amazonia. So now the thing here, the tell you my brother, my sisters, him. While they talk so, we get respect the IG. And when we respect the IG, get move La Republic for land. If you don't marry La Republic person, una two una don't together make it. Decide. You either be with La Republic or you go to Amazon or you become or you naturalize to be an Amazonian. Small time, we start the check identity cards for all Amazonians. Small time we go start the check identity card for all Amazonians. We go start the checker. Because we want to move the French tongues out of our land. We get to move on. If you be landlord for inside Amazonia, you the rent house for French tongue. Move on for your house. If you don't move on for your house, we go help you move in. We go use hot fire. Move you with them. Because now you invite me. So now the thing that they talk my brother and my sister's name. So please push all the French tongues near your region to go back to their land. They are not welcome in Amazonia. We don't need them. They are enemies of progress. We don't need any French tongue. In our land. My brother, my sisters, let us fund our revolution. My brother, my sisters, let us donate money into My Trip to Buea. My Trip to Buea is actions. My Trip to Buea is not all about from agency. Taking the money, doing hotel by hotel, bed by bed. That is what they're doing. That agency is good in doing. So, now they see that. The man will write the comment say, Colonel Atajon, fight your own and allow the other. I am the Amazonia police. It is my duty to provide security. You must expose these bad tongues them so that more victims will not get there. So, you don't get the point now very well. Amazonia police, then they plenty. We give all position. And Colonel Atajon, that their general spokesperson. So that is why no come tell me. Taku Emilia. Your Jarba talk with the talker, it don't make sense. When you overtalk Taku Emilia, you will make her go establish your file. No overtalk Taku Emilia, because you try to show more with somebody where if you overtalk with it go sample you and you go cry die and then the beg you not Beckham. So Taku Emilia, a waterway why is sufficient. For you, Taku Emilia, before you insult me for my recent post last time. I don't talk. I stay quiet. You don't come again. You can't insult me. If you want to talk any shit, Taku Emilia, me I could put you for 6 feet. If you do chop mommy cocoa in this crash you Taku Emilia. Post phone number for any person waiting for your family house. Me a teach you lesson for them, you understand. You just said you feel control. You are one of the prostitute Ayaba is doing bed by bed with. And you are trying to make bab. Now the type of prostitute is where you can try way to cover Ayaba. Ayaba is scams and lies. Now one of Ayaba is prostitute that by name Taku Emilia Ashao. You are one. When I tell you, say stop, you stop. Because you joke with the wrong person. You are joking with the wrong person. If you start follow Colonel Atajon now today, you should know since the start of the revolution, now one of the most hardest person where they hit the north the right way for the right position. Taku Emilia, if you do bed by bed, you and Ayaba, just shut up your dating up. Prostitute, ashao, smelling thing. You are one. I warn you. You remember how many abortion where you don't commit Taku Emilia? How many abortion you don't commit inside married house? Where you don't commit abortion? Carry out many bele go move. Go, you don't carry out many bele go move. You carry out many bele move from Ayaba. So you are one. Don't ever try the shit with me. You will do the wrong thing. Yes, that is the prostitute. You are now talking. I love Ayaba. Because you are prostitute. A good man expose you. You get them. When you joke with the wrong person, no ever joke with Colonel Atajon. When I use the soft tune, I sample you, I warn you. If you do chop mommy cocoa in this clash, no ever enter Colonel Atajon's zone. Because when you enter the wrong zone, and the sample you give you the real medication called True Green. And then the beg you now Beckham. If you don't know, if you want to know about my True Green, you just contact Gillian Eshu, contact Mami Jera, contact Monsi, Abu Free. Me they give you small information. Me they brief you about Colonel Atajon. And then the pam any person for the revolution. Taku Emilia, go begin to say your last for Ayaba. No come try to reach my 18. No try. If Cecilia Biama, don't send you can't try to cover it because now you're banya. Won't the same last for Ayaba free. No come try that thing. No triumph for me. Idiot, Ashao. When you do the thing, you just have the big followers. Me and the big followers. Every day the followers are joining. They are coming. So if you do that shit, Taku Emilia, if you do that shit, the shit you are Cecilia Biamabo. No bring her for my 18. Because Colonel Atajon and Amazonia police, we need to spare any person. Especially Colonel Atajon. He own no easy. No, and then mengana te una we can make bap. I sample you directly. He say I get 26 followers. Where and then worry you where you want no say get followers. Where you want no say get 20 more followers. When the video stop, you check the video tomorrow. You come tell me, say how many people they listen the video. One of my video, not less than 5,000 people go listen now. Not less than that, they will listen. No matter what I say, they will listen. So, me that Taku Emilia, Ashao, prostitute, bitch, motherfucker. No ever try the other thing for Amazon, No be try Amazon. You make I give a hire 2 medical doctors them. I go hire Dr. Simenge and I will hire Dr. Bones. Me they come operate that your big pussy. Stitch and close small gap for them. Me no swallow the wall. Wait big lay as I idiot. Go begin to do that thing you are Ayaba. If Ayaba send you, no try up for my zone. We mob a big leg church rat. Poor thing. No try up. Now Cecilia Biama, both send that prostitute. When they call Taku Emilia because she no one use her profile. She sending me, come try me insult. You want to try that thing for my corner now? You did deal with the wrong person. You did deal with the very, very wrong person. And then you ever look person face where you consent to insult somebody then. So me you continue begin to try the your mommy pima. You joke with wrong person all the prostitutes, all the girls, whether they defend Ayaba don't sleep all them. I get all information about them. I remember when Ayaba they sent text message for Koan. I get all the text message them inside the phone. Now I say Koan never give me the authority for expose all the messages them. I will post that online. When Koan give me the authority, legal privacy authority, I will post all things for like online. Muna see how Ayaba they send naked pictures. Muna go see the Ayaba in nakedness where he send them for Koan. I go show now everything. When I ever talk stupid things then. Talk stupid things then. You don't try that thing for my corner. When I call somebody a shit, I mean it's a shit. My brother, my sisters, these girls, Cecilia B. Amabo, Momsi, Abu Free, this prostitute, Taku Emilia, all of them, Ayaba don't sleep them. Ayaba don't do bed by bed with them. Hotel by hotel with them. Now why that way they try to defend Ayaba a thief? After I catch Ayaba, when I don't notice I say since today what they talk. Ayaba never look in today for the matter what they talk today. Ayaba never look in today with the profile Yamafoka Kuluba because I catch Ayaba red-handed where Ayaba use fake profile Yamafoka Kuluba. I catch Ayaba una know that one very, very well. Now the evidence in this way is still be from my phone. Where I catch Ayaba the user. Una they be blockhead fool them. Uneducated and grub beef them. Then we come try to talk. Now evidence in that way I catch Ayaba. Ayaba the use Yamafoka Kuluba. I track Ayaba IP. You need to deal with me, Cecilia Biama, all that shit, then that dirty prostitute them. Muna watch out. Amazonians then will not give una any space. No breathing space. I beat for there, us at Amazonia police them. And those that believe in the revolution, we could sample any bad belly person from AGC when trying to damage the revolution. We could put it in a chair. You try na mopo, we go teach you how we talk. You try to insult, we can teach you how to insult. You try to make more for ground zero, we burn on the house. We burn them. That's the thing. Illegal fools, them refugees. Oh, una the agency, now refugees them. Why cannot you have a document in Europe without being a refugee? Why cannot you have? Why cannot you have? Colonel after John the talk because he no be refugee. That is why I can go anywhere I want. So we they fools and they stop. The thing is, my brother, my sister, Ayaba go keep rotating more profiles, more fake profiles, in order to damage the revolution. Dala. Now you get fake profiles them. I remember agency making fake profile to give people, they attack people the whole time. We are ready. I don't announce last time said the offensive department is due. They have reactivated their offense. So any black leg for the revolution, we go sample, we know the looky face. We no go looky face. We will get a once a word to a while is sufficient. Any shit, Milan Atem, AGC, officially AGC and SCCOP. Now scammers them. They want gather with information, give La Republic, collect their money. All them. Now it's now talk. So, my brother, my sisters, the way forward is let us remove all La Republic tongues in our land. No worry, James. No worry. I could catch IP show now. No worry. Trust me very, very well. All the people that make more bap. I don't need to send you text message for catch your IP. I did just catch you now red-handed show Amazonia's name. You are lucky. You are very, very lucky. Say my other phone, the battery low. I don't catch you. I've already catch you now. So tell people then where you be. I've don't talk, locate you. Catch you very, very well. You are dealing with somebody very, very terrible. So, my brothers and sisters, the way forward is let us reactivate the revolution, and all bush followers attending schools must stop their madness. They must stop their madness. They must not damage our revolution. Let us stand with Dr. Sako and his administration. Let us stand with Dr. Sako and his administration. Let us stand with them. Dr. Sako is not here for child play. That is why Dr. Sako don't sample Milan Atem. Say Milan Atem no get any authority to control IG. That is why Milan Atem come go from SCCOP. So as we go from so we now look on the SCCOP, their Facebook page. We now go see and say those that like that nonsense, that SCCOP, they are only Teria Popo, those that like it are Teria Popo, Lenjo Kinsley, only those fools them, Milan's puppet. Now them they like that page. Now that group where Milan at the former, that's for scammers. Now for scammers them. They want catch you information them. As soon as you go register your information for that place, it send the page go send your IP address for them. From there they catch you. If they know your IP, they will locate your address for Western Wall. When they know your home address, they go come for your door. They no go come broke your door because for Western Wall they need to fight anyhow. They come open your letterbox, put drugs inside. Go now, go use Anonymous phone number. Give your address to police for your region. Call them, give them the tell police me come broke your letterbox. When they come look at now, they catch you, say you sell drugs. They will catch you, say you sell drugs. So now the strategy is that way Ayaba the user for collect, where Ayaba and AA and SCCOP, they use for collect the information they hand over for La Republic. That is the truth I'm telling you. No register anything to give Milan any money. No give any shishi, no nothing. No register anything. AGC and SCCOP, they're scammers. Anybody where you know their house, good. So now the thing that way every day, any stupid person where you can ask say where are our leaders? That is a fool. Now fool. Person where they ask say where are our leaders? Milan Atem and Ayaba, not them. They get handful leaders. That is officially clear. No other investigation will prove us wrong. Milan Atem and Ayaba, not them too. They say leaders. That is the truth. So do not come and ask, they asking stupid questions that where are our leaders? Where are our leaders? Where are our leaders? Milan Atem and Ayaba. Now, those that saw our revolution, saw our leaders. Suriname use he profile now for Abeta, Calgary for Canada. Calgary, he be locked in for Calgary for Canada. I track him. But I know I try to track other guys them, their profiles them, for catch them. And for link out them. I never yet get them. Suriname they for Calgary, Canada. Now for the way she did. Calgary, Canada. Either she did for a task where she drive, they go for Calgary, Canada, go looking for they do some offense if they were the trap if they before I talk her. So now they think that way they. So we not give the fear, we not the fear all them. AGC get population just like 100. SCCOP get population just like 10 or 20. They go use now fake Facebook profiles them for Combis, Amazonians, then they for catch population. Milan Atem and Ayaba, they need to go in 6 feet. Milan Atem and Ayaba, they need to go into 6 feet. They are Satans. Demonic. Lucifers. Now the thing that they talk about, brother. So, while they talk about, while they talk this thing, so, Muna no worry too much. They say, AGC order their mob where they work and make them. They give a shot off. Mad close to now why we Ayaba no fi lie. He no fi go fight for Mezam. My brother, my sister, them. When I remember that time where it be for December 2017. Before I go ground zero for do inspection for operation where they already happen for ground zero. I announce now say Ayaba be claim credit for some operation for Baile. Where Ayaba don't know any information about where to be passed by no. So now the reason that we don't make Ayaba there because I be disprove Ayaba because I expose that operation where be passed by I talk all the in and out about the operation because I know Mezam. Just same as I know Bakosi. I know Mezam and Bakosi. All can shot them for those 2 places them I know them. So now why that way Ayaba the for life inside Mezam. Because if Ayaba lie inside Mezam, nah so I go disprove Ayaba say he no do anything for inside Mezam. And now why that way Ayaba the fear for go for Mezam. So now the thing that I talk my brother, my sisters them. When I talk the things over now, Muna believe wait way be for day. Some of them they call me say scammers. Say scammer. I don't ever collect money for you. No. So wait till I talk be say, my brother, my sisters them, be smart enough to catch these scammers, these blacklegs, these Lucifers. Una Mr. Nancy take this opportunity, invite Yamafoka, Kuluba. Invite I know say na Ayaba because I catch him. I catch Ayaba. No, he don't avoid me. He didn't avoid me before he respond all my posts, all my comments. Yamafoka Kuluba, he never respond me. Now he no to respond am again because I don't expose him. So now the truth that what I tell you, my brother, my sisters, him. I love Amazonia with all my heart, all my mind, and all my soul. And this is why I will not leave any public agent to try to damage our revolution in the name of stealing money. Ayaba, how market for go for me? How market for go for me? So they stop in the talk say me IG for you. You want me IG carry their money, you carry and go rent a hotel with them. Say, go and please come in hotel. Let us do bed by bed. Call up say, Cecilia B, come on Tuesday, let us do bed by bed. Now wait till why Ayaba want me they give money, me they go to hotel. No give any money for Ayaba. Ayaba not thief man. Not thief man. Same as Milan Atem. Milan Atem. He do your own bed by bed. Milan Atem do your own bed by bed. Thief money for paper. He thief money for paper. Do bed by bed. Invite marry woman them. Where they support IG. Do bed by bed with them. Do bed by bed with them. And one of these women who only see name the paper. Now one of the women where Milan Atem don't do bed by bed with them. Now one of them. Milan Atem don't do chuk by chuk with them. So that is it. So Colonel Atajon where he something he blow him one time. So my lovely brothers and sisters, while I came to pass this, my message what I want officially pass on today before I add other people then to pass out a strong message is bush fallers must not post any graduation pictures online. Mami Jera Ashao, Gillian Eshu Ashao, they don't mess up. They must apologize to Amazonians. Why they do this? Why they post the pictures online? Mami Jera Ashao, Gillian Eshu Ashao, why they post graduation pictures online? Why? Why? And before I end, I want to talk something. Lovely Amazonians and my lovely Amazonians. If you not be satisfied with Colonel Atajon, which way Colonel Atajon, the talker, please just take this opportunity. You block Colonel Atajon. No begin to follow Colonel Atajon. If you are not satisfied with him, if you are not satisfied with, no come to the page, begin the talk, post there all the time, they begin the talk, begin the talk to them, begin the talk to them, the tribal colony, for talk any crap, for talk any shit them, any shit, say, do this, do that, do this, do that. So, now the thing they talk and for now, take note about it. Because this one SCPOP and AGC now wait that way they come for revolution for do am. They come for revolution for that. That's what they came in our revolution to do. They came in our revolution for that. That is the truth. And these are my last messages before I go sing song, then stop. Unity is needed. Black legs must be put in 6 feet. Yes, that is it. Unity is needed, but we have to put black legs like we need to put black legs like Paddy Asanga, Milan Atem, Ayabacho Lucas, Yamafoka, Aka Ayaba, all them so, Dala. Doromega, if all them they no apologize, we need to put all them for 6 feet. Momsi, Mami Jera, all them, if they no apologize, we put them for 6 feet. Now wait how they talk. So now the matter that Akere Muna, ni John Fruity, we need to put them for 6 feet. There is no way to even accept their apology. We need to put her one time for 6 feet. Now the thing that I gave day. Now the thing that I gave day. Ekema Patrick, Ataranjipo. We need to put up 6 feet. They are very devilish. They are very, very demonic. Satanic. So now the thing that I want to talk about, not try for the understand them very, very well. Because this revolution is bigger than any Satan. We come for revolution. And I'll still remind excellent Dr. Sako. Dr. Sako, us Amazonians, we don't want to see Gillian Eshu Gili Aka Gili on SCBC, our national station, because Gillian Eshu has been typing black mice and distributing them to sabotage people in our revolution. We cannot allow another Chiruma Bagari Nikam for revolution try to control it or try to talk something. Gillian Eshu, Teria Popo, just to name a few of them, they need to leave our IG and move away. We don't need them. So that's the thing where Colonel Atajon the talker. And officially, these two groups are being sponsored by La Republique. These two groups, they are being sponsored by La Republic. These two groups, they are being sponsored by La Republic. These two groups, so they be sponsored. Ayaba and Milan, Atem, they are the kids of Satan because they are dragging our revolution backward. They don't want to step forward. Ayaba and Milan, they are Satans. We call on La Republic to free President Ayuk Sisiko, Pat Asenwifet, Senator Penterens, Mancho BBC, Pa Fongala, just to name a few of them. We call on them to free all our brothers and sisters. We call on them to free all of them unconditionally. When they free all of them, we go now, we sit on the table, we do terms of payment of our resources they have been stealing for long, because Amazonia is a nation on its own. Amazonia is a nation on its own. That is the truth about it. So that is the thing, and that will give us understand for this revolution. And La Republic, we are done with you. We are done with you. We say goodbye to La Republic because we have risen and we are going to fall no more. La Republic, we have risen and we are going to fall no more. After checking the EU, those that are in Europe, we call it Schengen Information System. We call it Schengen Information System. So, after checking information, this agency scammer, Kang Jiken, his real name now Forme Victor. That is the real name, but he pretend use fake name for all I go to sabotage people and they will seek asylum, all those things. And so, we need to expose me or Amazonians then they see them. That is the thing. So do not believe anything coming from AGC, because Kang Jiken after Corona, after John, he don't check the Schengen Information System. I catch this information and I see a picture of the for all that thing before you get resident permit. They take your record fingerprint, so he think say we know if he catch it. He deal with somebody will be able to know about Schengen Information System through some police, so French, so German police where he did do all this thing them. All this thing them, he did check them, give the information. Kang Jiken na scammer. Now he rename that re-information. Now he did stay inside Ayaba. He house for no way. Now Ayaba is babysitter. Now Ayaba is slave. He did sleep now for Ayaba is chair. For Ayaba is chair for palo. For Sonny. That is the truth I'm telling you people, my brothers and sisters. Now listen to the scammer's name for the revolution. Now list the scammer's name for revolution. While they leak and list away they for Amazonia police. They are fighting him while they check on the show now. Yes, I'll be fine at this. We get for all part of Amazonians. We need to reactivate actions. We need to fight all way. We need to fight all corner, all sides. We need to fight. We don't need to leave Libya lane the fight, this side the fight. We leave Bello the fight, Batbo the fight. We leave other places. Other villages in the day. Bafood, Tico, or Limbe. All them they do bed by woman, sex by sex, drinking export. They are doing nothing. Why are not you fighting? Let us reactivate action. Let us fight in all parts. And La Republic to free our leaders now. The revolution is real. when I talk say agents in our Republic, agents then from day one, when I never ever believe me. Now many people are now believing me that Milan Atem and Ayaba they came in this revolution to steal and destroy and derail the revolution. So now, officially, this is being sponsored by La Republic, and based on this, they be sponsored by La Republic. I need to sing some song about bad people, the way they try to damage the revolution. So if you did listen Colonel Arthur John, and you want me Colonel Arthur John sing the song about the Black Lakes, with this song about the Black Lakes, then you just tell Colonel Arthur John, so that you just write the comment, say yes. If you can write for comment, say yes, Colonel Arthur John will sing the song about the Black Lake people there. I get 2 songs there, I go sing about Black Lakes people there. So, if you want song, you write for comment, say Colonel Arthur John sing that song for comments or like on that comments. One years, I need 3 years. I need 3 years. Serenity, you don't see waiting. You never see your menses. You never see your menses. You go see and pass so. Eh? You be shime, no? You be shime. Serenity na shime. Una know so na shime. Serenity na shime. Na shime. Oh, that this year so. So now wait that why that way she hear about AGC. She start beginning to be hurt because AGC people, the most of them are scammers. Who want the song? Who need that song? I never see now only one person want the song. Sing the, if you want the song, just write to comment. Say yes, Colonel Arthur John sing that song. 1, I count 1. 1, yeah, yes, 1. Who want the song? Who want the song? Make me a sing am. You write yes, a comment. Two years. 2. I need 5 years I could sing. I don't get 2. I see 2 years. 2 years the way they want me sing the song. Who want the song? 3, no. 3 years, 2 more years left. Any person write will come and say yes, 4, last one left. Okay. Serenity, he hurt you. Serenity, Mimi a give Serenity a challenge. Mimi a give Serenity a challenge, my brother, my sisters, them. Ma give her a challenge. I want to give Serenity a challenge. I want to give her a challenge. Serenity, call me on live video now. Call me on live video on WhatsApp. Or you call me while I'm live now. Serenity, this is a big challenge for you. You can never do. Oh, talk with your voice. How a Colonel Arthur John the talk so. Me Amazonians in this year. Serenity, call me live video. Or I invite you video now. Mu talk. I invite you video. Mu talk. When I see which way AGC members that they do. When I see other. When I see in the shame, you know if you come live for talk. You know if you open him up, talk you only know go behind the keyboard. Talk me to hear your voice. Talk me to hear your voice. You don't need to see my face. I don't need to see your face. Hide your face. Talk me to hear your voice. Ground beef. Shit no white glass. I don't give you the highest challenge. Serenity, call me video. Call me video. Let's talk. Call me video Surinasi. Let's talk now. Let's talk. Let's talk. Now, same Surinasi this way. If they ever call me bad people then. Me Surinasi talk. Me challenge me. Who sister Carolina. Aka General Kadisi say. I vex because I want Ayaba and Milan Atem. Me they bring back who leaders them. General Kadisi said that is why we are angry. Ayaba and Milan Atem, they never bring back who leader. Ayaba and Milan Atem, they know how much they collect them. For say, President Ayuk Sisiko Partasa Wife and his cabin. They know him. That is the reason General Kadisi said that is why I vex. And I also vex because Mami Jera and Gilead Eshu, they repost graduation pictures there online. General Kadisi say, no be na me and you be the promote no school resumption. Wait till happen, then go post school resumption pictures information online. This is wrong. It's unaccepted. It's unaccepted. It's unaccepted. Why did they do this? You understand me, no? General Kadisi say, that is why I'm angry. That is why we are angry. That is damage the revolution by doing all these things, this shit online. Then with the risk to life, then I risk my life. I go fight for Ground Zero. I fight for Bali checkpoint with my life. Come back, I want to talk. Me they go come do talk shit online. Go down to Ground Zero and you fight there and you come back with records as I did. Then you can claim the title. You can be a colonel also. When they want to talk foolish dumb people, the way they don't get anything off after the revolution, then they talk anything. When you see these ramshackle people, my brother must say, Milan Atem and Ayaba must bring we back our leaders. They must bring we back our leaders. Now, the time for the song. Me I drink water small so before I sing the song. Before I finish. When they just vex us, we like the vex. We the vex because they do something wrong for revolution. They do something wrong. They do a very, very wrong. Some of them, Ayaba, we can go post comment. General Kadisi say, have you seen the comment? Have you seen the comment that Ayaba posted that he want report troops in ground zero troops in the Republic? You don't see how. If you never see how General Kadisi say, I beg you inbox me, I could send you the screenshot where Ayaba write that thing for the. So now the thing that they talk and they want to talk something. They wake up, people already die. Mommy then they for bush, some then they for inside, they never any place. They wake up and get the post shit. She want to say she fine. Why she not even post now her natural face? She go buy Mary Kay powder, rub off her face, go put them in the swamp. Now it's that way the food and they do them. They not show their natural face because if they show their natural face, they'll be wow people them. They not beautiful like my baby when she tongue next to me here. Nonsense people. Ugly things. I mean, you go up, carry Mary Kay powder, put up your face, cover, show people them. You want show people then are waiting. Gilead Eshu, they wash Ian Mami Jera, they wash show we now waiting. Ugly things them. They wash show we waiting. They are very, very ugly. They go raw powder for their face. Go put graduation picture online. This is it. Now the prostitute that. This the prostitute. Look what this prostitute. He raw powder for face. Go post graduation picture online. Our people are dying on Ground Zero. Evil woman call herself Gilead Eshu. Prostitute that show. Now people they never die with ground zero. Now the other food is where you call herself Mami Jera. People then they die with ground zero. She go buy Mary Kay powder or na golden rose. Rub on for your face. Buy the dark eye. Put up there. Why you no post picture where be natural? Ugly thing. Wow thing. Wow woman. Ish. Hey, go make your thing. No come to have the revolution. Any of them, when they try to attack the revolution, we go fight them. We go fight all them. We no go spare all them. All them that devils them. That devils. Me Gillian Eshu here, Mami Jera, they post their natural picture online. They don't go pack powder off their face. You want show who be interested to see powder? Who be interested? They for Western war. When you see all kind powder there, when you see all kind, you all post that with it. What in Mami Jera? What in Gillian Eshu? So they stop the two girls. They stop. Now say people they need to understand wait how they talk am. They need to understand. They need to understand. When you go down on ground zero, you see how people they buy 1 cup Gary. 1 cup Gary for 75 francs. 1 cup Gary for 75 francs. 1 liter groundnut oil, 1,200 francs. You get the pain where Colonel Atajon get up his skin. You get the pain. I talk sometimes, I cry. When I see ramshackle stupid people posting pictures of graduation online. What is the meaning of this crap, this bullshit that they are doing? What is the meaning? So, me na job come you talk say Colonel Atajon, just talk thing and talk about he no get sense. Yes, when I talk say Colonel Atajon no go school. Yes, I accept. I'm illiterate. I don't go to school. I'm an illiterate. Yes, I accept. I'm an illiterate. But I get common sense. It is better to be educated in a local way, the common sense way, than physical education in school. Yes, that is it. Common sense is it. Now wait till we talk. So Mona no we come begin talk something una no. Well, I want talk something here. All the things they know. Ayaba here and Milan Ate must bring me Pantas and Wilfred. They must bring me Pantas and Wilfred. They must bring me Pantas and Wilfred. Macho BBC still Davis jail. Senator Pentere still Davis jail. Then we got joke. Then the joke with the revolution. See, oh mate, Lord. If I'm the top one of these guys in some way, I can chill them and chill myself even. Because I don't like to see these people then. They need to understand what you in face them. They need to understand what you in face them. My brother, my sister, I tell you some small, very good information. I want advice to say, una they listen. Those are not listening. We call family of those that are in jail. Like Mancho BBC, Senator Penteres, Ngalem, Pantas and Wilfred, Pa Fongala, let's call their family. They need something to eat. They never beg. They never tell we say they beg. Let us call the family. Una know what they mean for inside ground zero now. So when Mancho BBC, his wife, they take care for the child alone without the assistance of the husband. Why she's jobless? Una know what we mean. Hey, my brother, my sister, it is painful. It is painful thing about it. Contact them. Let us fund them. We have forgotten about our those that we have to take care of them. Contact Colonel Atajon if you want to channel assistance directly to Mancho BBC, Senator Pentere's family, Pantas and Wilfred family. Contact Colonel Atajon inbox if you are a good Samaritan and you are willing to help them. I don't want any money from any person. I'll direct you directly to them. I'll direct you directly to them. You help them. You help them. Their wives need help. Their wives need our help. They need our help. They need our help. Please, I'm begging on you all. I'm begging on you all. Muno lady abroad get the chop fast food, McDonald's, KFC, all these things there. Muno lady the do am. Mu try we save even na €50. We send them small mobile money. I beg na beg una. I beg na beg. I want beg una na beg. I beg na beg. I beg na beg. If you are willing to help them, to help the family of Senator Peter, Mancho BBC, Ngalem, all them. So, if you are willing, we should not only help them in Konange, we need to assist their family. If you don't assist their family, we are pushing their wives to do something which is not good. And we are exposing their wives in danger. Please, my brother, my sisters, they are our brothers. I will preach about this every day. Join the campaign. Let us help their families. I cannot go to IG and be telling them to help their families. If IG want to do, they are the government. They can do. Any person who want to do, if you lack contact number for Senator Pinterest, Mancho BBC, their family members, them, all them, if you cannot reach them on Facebook because they are hardly on Facebook, because La Republic, they trace all their communication all time. Contact Colonial Atajon, we can help. We can help them. Even at 1,000, 5,000, 2,000, anything we get them, let us help them. Let us help their family, my brother, my sisters. We are not only talk, think now of something of Ubele, forget them. No, let us help them. Let's join the campaign. Let's help the family. Let us help it. Let us help. Let us help this month. This is a month of May. When I reach back on my base, I could help. I know this my base right now. When I reach there, I could help. I will help also. Let us help them. Let us help. I'm begging on you people. Let's help their families. Let's help them. Please, I beg. Contact Colonel Atajon inbox. But do not give me money. I'm not interested in receiving any money. Because I don't want scandal of scamming. I'll direct you directly to their wives. And you can do check up of what the contacts I'm going to provide for you. When I give you their contacts, you do check up about it. Then we do all these things then. We do all these things, assist all them, assist them. Taku Emilia, just shut off your mouth, stay aside. I know they talk for you because you are an unknown element. You know even be for my zone. You ever see me for your war? No. I never ever comment for your post. I don't ever share your post. No. Wait till you do for my page. So, last thing before I sing that song, Dr. Ebenezer is not part of ARCC. He is not part of it. He is not part of it. ARCC, Dr. Ebenezer, no day for day. Now I have the first put in name for day. I don't make him very clear the moon I get him again today. Dr. Ebenezer, I will personally again put the pressure, let him come out live and denounce that SCYL is not part of ARCC. He must come out do him. So, now, song time. Song time. This song is Taurus for all black legs. Black legs. Where you want to sing song, finish. You first of all, you drink small tongo, you drink small water. Like this, so where you drink small water, yeah. Then it charge your body, you sing good song. When some people go talk say Colonel Atajon they drink a beer or something. So, I drink water. And my share. Emilia, leave the page. Just leave the page one time, oh. Leave the page. This song no before you. On the last day when the Lord shall come, many people will be disappointed. Some will be crying and some will be saying, Oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. On the last day when the Lord shall come, many people will be disappointed. Some will be crying and some will be saying, oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. On the last day when Boya shall be free, many people will be disappointed. Some will be crying and some will be saying, oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. Oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. On the last day when Boya shall be free, many people will be disappointed. Ayaba will be crying, Milan will be crying. Oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. On the last day when Boya shall be free, many people will be disappointed. Some will be crying and some will be saying, oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. Oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. AGC members will be crying. Amazonians will be laughing. Oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. On the last day when Boya shall be free, many people will be disappointed. President Ayuk Sisiko will be laughing. Patterson Wilfred will be laughing. Major BBC will be laughing. Pa Fongala will be laughing. Amazonia will be laughing. Ayaba will be crying. Scammers will be crying. Oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. On the last day when Boya shall be free, many people will be disappointed. Pascal Kiki will be crying. Cecilia Biamabo will be crying. Oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. On the last day when Boya shall be free, many people will be disappointed. Some will be crying and some will be saying, oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. Oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. On the last day when Boya shall be free, many people will be disappointed. Milan will be crying. Ayaba will be crying. Oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. On the last day when Boya shall be free, many people will be disappointed. Some will be crying and some will be saying, oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. Song 1, finish. Song number 2. Mukala jump up. Honest thing, smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell up, Mukala jump up. Honest thing, smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell up, Ayaba jump up. Honest thing, smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell up, shake up, jump up. Honest thing, smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell up, Lawrence Ashamba jump up. Honest thing, smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell up, Momsy Vivian Battery jump up. Honest thing, smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell up, Amabo Cecilia jump up. Honest thing, smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell up, Abu Free jump up. Honest thing, smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell up, Capo Daniel jump up. Honest thing, smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell Doro Mega jump up. Honest thing, smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell Akoso Raymond, Akoso Pauline jump up. Honest thing, smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell AGC Scammers jump up. Honest thing, smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell Milan Atem jump up. Honest thing, smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell SCCOP jump up. Honest thing, smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell Black Legs jump up. Honest thing, smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell Traitors jump up. Honest thing, smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell Traitors jump up. Honest thing, smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell Ayaba jump up. Honest thing, smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell Ayaba jump up. Honey stingam, smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell Mukala jump up. Honey stingam, smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell Mukala jump up. Honey stingam, smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell chorus na. Mukala jump up. Honey stingam. Smell bitter kiss them. Janga smell AGC jump up. Honey stingam. Smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell AGC jump up. Honey stingam. Smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell Mukala jump up. Honey stingam. Smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell Mukala jump up. Honey stingam, smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell AGC jump up. Honey stingam, smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell SCCOP jump up. Honey stingam, smelly bitter kiss them. Janga smell evil black legs such as Milan Atem. Ayaba jump up. Honey stingam, smelling bitter kiss them. Janga smell them. So that is it. This song will remain there. You like the song, or you know like or whosoever the jealousy my way, you know. You talk so you know but sing past me. Go your own life. You sing a reasonable song about the revolution and reflect it what is happening on our revolution. Then you come compare with Colonel Atajon. That is the thing I'm saying to you. So that's the thing. All these bad belly people them. Now bad people them. This song now for bad people the way they try to damage the revolution. That is that. So that is it. When I talk something, my brother, my sister, SCCOP. No man no give name for information for the police go pick you. They go track you. They will track you if you there abroad. Ayaba or come put drugs in your door. Go call police. Me police and Milan. Ayaba here Milan. They want use the thing. They carry people their information on them. Me they go put drugs in your door. Go tell police say they say drugs them. Say they say drugs them. So when they do so, they go come catch you. So now the thing now what they talk una no give any information for SCCOP and AGC. That's people them. Now the truth that I don't tell una today. So we stay focused now for this revolution. At the beg the campaign to help families of those on ground zero who are in Konenge has been launched. Please join the campaign, but do not give any person money. Don't give any middleman money.